How to use the File Manager on the Bernina 990.
With the File Manager, you can manage your embroidery designs and sewing stitches. To see it in full, we will first save a design. When you confirm the name of your design, then the File Manager will open. The design can be saved either in the personal folder or on a USB stick. The USB is visible only if one is inserted into the machine. We will save in the personal folder and confirm by selecting the green check mark. Add a design by simply selecting the plus icon. The File Manager will then open. Maximize the screen to see all of the options. Here you see the personal folder contents. If you want to open another design, simply select the folder in the Quick Access bar. It's easy to create a new folder in the File Manager by tapping on the 3 dots. Type in the name for your new folder. Select the designs you wish to move. Once they are marked, select Copy or Cut and open the new folder. Select the 3 dots again, and then select Paste. Use the arrow to return to the personal folder. It's also possible to rename a file on your USB or here in the personal folder. Once the design is selected, select the dots and choose Rename. Type in a new name and save. To return to the design, select the X, and to close the File Manager completely, select X again.
Bernina, made to create.